That's us, that's Blue Chip. I believe that it is an extraordinary experience your first time going through an adjustment with our style of chiropractic. It's exhaustive. We fix everything. We'll find the ties in between your abs and your knee pain, between your shoulder and your wrist pain. We're going to get it all. We've got all the tests to make sure that we get it all. That's how we operate. It is 100% biomechanics, 100% normalization of function. And yeah, we're going to get it. That's how we roll. That's exactly how we roll. That said, if in the first visit we don't necessarily, if you don't feel a change, that is a yellow flag. If in 3 visits there's no change, and actually 1 to 3 visits, if there's no change, that is our red flag. That means we need to find a different school. We do biomechanics here, and that's all we do here at Blue Chip is biomechanics. So if we can solve your biomechanical problem and you still feel pain, we're sending you out.